Now beta last question, that is question number 8. Exercise 3.5. Find the smallest number which added to 11 is exactly divisible by 6, 24, 32 and 36. Okay, means what you will do in this question, in instruction also given, you will find the LCM of 16, 24, 32 and 36. Okay, you know that LCM is always divisible by the numbers those who are given to you, means for them the numbers for which you are finding their LCM, then LCM if you will divide by each of the number, then it will be always divisible. What he is saying, find the smallest number which added to 11. Added to 11 is exactly divisible by these numbers. So what you will do, first of all you will find the LCM of the given numbers, and whatever answer LCM will come, then you will subtract 11 from it. What you will do, you will subtract 11 from it, then you will get answer. So nothing is there in question number 8. Find LCM and subtract. Find LCM. So see that 16, 24, 32 and 36 is there. Okay, so I am going to find their LCM. See that first what we will do, prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Now these steps should be learned to everybody of you. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. First take 2. 2 8 is 16, 12, 16, or here 2 1 is 2 or 2 8 is 16. Again further by 2, 2 4 is 2 6 is 2 8 is 16 or 2 9 is. Further by 2, 2 2 is 2 3 is 2 4 is, or 9 is not divisible by 2. Divisibility test also you should remember so that you can do the fast division. 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 2 is or 9. Further by 2, because one more time we can do by 2, 1, 3, 1 or 9. Now further the division of 2 is not possible, so which is the next number? 3. Move to the next now. 1, 3 1 is 3, 1, 3 3 is 9. Okay, then further one more time by 3, 1 1 1 1. Then what you will do, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 into 3 into 3. See that 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 into 9. So what will be your LCM? 9 2 is 18, 1 carry. 1 carry. 9 2 is 18, 1 carry. 9 3 is 27 or 1 28. It will be your 28. Okay. Now see that what he is saying. Find LCM and subtract 11 from it. Okay. So subtract 11. If you will now subtract 11. 8 minus 1 7. 8 minus 1 7 or 277. So find the smallest number which added to 11 is exactly divisible by this. Find the smallest number which added to 11 is exactly divisible by this. Means he was saying that what should be added to this number. Now what which is in which number 11 should be added so that it will be divisible by these numbers. So whenever he is saying that or in any question it is saying that find the number which is divisible by 16, 15 or 20. What you will do at that case, you will always find the LCM. But here he was saying that find the smallest number, okay, which added to 11. Okay, now if you will in 277 you will add 11, then what will come? 288, and 288 is always divisible by 16, 24, 32 and 36. Okay, just now this chapter has finished. You will complete up to here. You will complete up to here.